Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, when road ragers messed with the wrong person, you'll see intense road rage moments turn into instant karma, proving how quickly reckless behavior can lead to unexpected consequences. She chose to confront the situation, spraying
Car right. Dude.
Using violence to solve problems is never a smart choice. He got an immediate lesson after using foul language toward an older person.
Oh no!
This motorcyclist was incredibly foolish. Police watched the entire reckless driving display, and the moment the driver tried to speed up, he was dealt with.
Oh yeah.
He messed with the wrong person. Now protect yourself with proper gear and avoid dangerous situations like this.
Долбоёбы, блядь, слава богу, что нас не задел. Господи. Я ж
Oh wow, that car trying to speed on an unfamiliar road learned a lesson the hard way.
Why you're thinking you destroyed my ass?
Road disputes only make things worse. He angrily rushed out of his car, but the vehicle instantly ruined all his plans.
Actually, critics who say that he repeated the same 25-second response over and over again, and not saying that he doesn't frequently. The reporter from Vox has a completely different take, writing, quote, and this is the title of the article, I saw Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire.
These two motorcycle riding thieves are going to regret what they—
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Remember your toes got knocked the fuck out! Oh shit! Oh my god!
This motorcyclist was incredibly foolish. The police watched the entire reckless driving display, and the moment the driver tried to speed up, he was dealt with on the spot. messed with the wrong person, then protect yourself with proper gear and avoid dangerous situations like this.
Uy, gonorrea! Uy, gonorrea!
That car trying to speed on an unfamiliar road learned a lesson the hard way.
Stupid fucking retard, man. Ouch. Halfway around the turn. Holy shit. Oh.
Road disputes only make things worse. These aggressive drivers in Romania will soon regret their actions. She chose to confront the situation, spraying pepper spray and slamming the door with a defiant attitude. Unfortunately for her, the law reacted even faster than that recklessness. That concludes when road ragers messed with the wrong person. Which moment felt like true instant karma to you? Have you ever seen road rage end this way? Drop your thoughts below and let us know what video we should make next.